Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got another subscription box. This one comes to us from our friends over at Monthly Knife Club. But before we get into it, do me a favor, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'd really greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. Now that we're friends, we got Monthly Knife Club. So sit back, relax. Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with Monthly Knife Club, and as you guys know, I love these guys. They've been such a good friend to the channel by supplying me with some knives for review, and I turn around and give them away on my channel. And every now and then I do giveaways. You know, you just need to, that's another reason why to be subscribed to the channel, so you don't miss out on a potential chance to win a cool knife and some other stuff. So yeah. But this is a monthly subscription service, and if you are interested, I will have a link. Well, they have a permanent link in my description box of my video, and they have boxes like this that will have a blade in it, but it will also have some other kit items. But if you just want knives, they do have boxes that just have knives, and we'll get into that when we get the card out of here. But you see, I opened the box with my cool donut-themed razor cutter there, and I have my mat out here from Blade HQ that has the donut theme. So, we're getting all fancy. We're getting all fancy out here. Trying to, you know, spice things up. Not really, but we'll just say that. It'll make me feel better. How about that? Okay, let me get my glasses. Hope all you guys are really doing good, man. So, this is Monthly Knife Club. Let's see. I don't know what month this is, but we get a card, and then we get a breakdown, sort of, all the boxes. And do we have prices? Yes, we have prices. Okay, this is the advanced plan, this box that we're looking at right here. But they have a premium plan and then an ultimate plan. Now, these are boxes that will have different items in them other than blades. But if you just wanted a knife box, they have a standard name brand knife plan. They have a tier 2 name brand knife, and then they have an Onyx collector's plan. And those are in order of least to most expensive. But, you know, as I said, you know, if you're interested, definitely go check them out, you know. Let's see what the card has to say here. No, it's giving me, oh man, it's giving me descriptions of stuff. I don't want to do that. I just want to pull stuff out myself. Okay, so we got a pack, East-West. I've gotten several of these, and as a matter of fact, oh, I don't have it. See, I don't pre-open these boxes because I have a sling bag from East-West that I use. My wife calls it my purse. It's not a purse, man. It's a tactical assault survival pack. The zombie apocalypse. And I really like it. It holds up really, really well. You know, it does the job. Whew, man, this has got some holders here for some seriousness right there, if you know what I'm saying. So this is a fanny pack. People still wear these things, or is it just something when people get older they wear stuff like this? Because that's definitely a fanny pack. Yeah, that's definitely a fanny pack. Okay, so we got a little compartment, mesh compartment here. We have some Molly. We have 3 and 4 runs of Molly there on the front. We have an inner compartment on the inside, on your belly side. We have a zipper there. And then we have another, man, this thing's got 3 compartments. Okay, we got one here. That's just the length of the bag compartment. Okay. Got some nice zipper pulls on it too. Then we have another, you know, front compartment, a little bit smaller. And then we have another one that's yet a little smaller. No dividers, nothing like that in them. They're just compartments, but that's okay. And then on the side, as this thing accordions out, you know, when you start putting stuff in it and she puffs out, you do have a mesh pocket right here on both sides. So yeah, these things, I'm going to tell you, you know, my experience with these, not this particular bag, but with a bag from East-West, I'm happy with it, man. I'm not going to lie to you. You know, I'm really happy with it. And I don't have any complaints. And I love it, you know, because I can put, you know, I put my pad, my pen, I put extra phone cables. I put my extra battery packs, my juice packs for my phone. I put my glasses. I put some pills that I carry in it. My sunglasses, my reading glasses. So it's handy. It's really, really convenient. So, and I put, kind of essential things in it. So yeah, really good things to say about that company, East West. I really do like their bags. And if you have any, any personal experience with East West, let me know. Definitely shout me out in the comment section down below. Let me know. Or shout yourself out. How about that? Not me, but... Okay, we got Swiss Safe Emergency Poncho. Boy, I could have definitely used this last week because, man, we got a lot of rain. And I had a poncho from one of my emergency kits that I used, and, yeah. This one looks cooler because it's green. You can flip it out. It's two color, so you can... One side's green, the other side's this like very highly visible orange. So in case you're lost, you can use it to try to catch somebody's attention. And plus, this says it's a military grade thickness. Okay, here we go. There's some flim flam. Military grade thickness for maximum tear resistance. Well, I appreciate that, but okay. All right, I'm not going to say nothing. 90% thermal reflectivity for body heat retention, which is really, really good. So that's good. And, oh, this is a 3-pack. So there's 3 of these in here. They're 45 by 50. And then they give you a bonus gold thermal blanket. Nice. That's awesome. So it's a 3-pack with an additional thermal blanket. So yeah, that's a nice little product there. All right. I mean, it's a poncho. I don't think if you guys really want me, you can hit in the comment section down below and scream at me and say, hey man, get that poncho out. And I'll do it for you. Because I'm here to please. Okay, so we got a Bear & Son cutlery knife. Let's see, does it give me... It's a 778 is the model number. Okay, that's the model number of the knife. Let's see what we got. Bear & Son. Okay, all right. I'm kind of digging it. They got a little Bear & Son on the clip, on the pocket clip there. Let's see, we've got a flipper tab. Okay, nice length. Ooh, come out real easy. Ooh, shiny blade. That's some shininess right there. I'm not used to. I haven't seen a shiny blade like that. Old polished blade. I ain't seen that in a long time. Every blade I got's either, stone washed or, it's got a coating on it or something. Boy, I don't see a lot of them. Okay, we're rocking a liner lock per usual. Pivot's actually sounds like it's already got oil on it. Boy, it comes out buttery smooth. Lock's good. Yeah, man, it feels like a solid knife. Okay, we got some on our locking mechanism here. We do have some texturing for your index, which is nice. And it, the knife is, like I said, it's a little bit big, but that's okay because guys that have different sized hands, will find that they can easily get into the grip of this knife without having any awkwardness going on. Only thing about it, you see your top is very flat, very straight. There's no contouring except for the fall off on the tail. There is nothing up here. There is no texturing at all. She is slick as a something. I was gonna say owl poop, but then I said, well, I'll say owl butt. That don't make no sense. But you guys see what I'm saying. It's slick up here. So when your thumb has no purchase. So some people don't mind it. Some people don't like it. I can take it or leave it. If I really like the knife, it's okay. It's not a deal breaker. I prefer to have a little texturing up on the top of the spine, just so if I'm doing something, my thumb can kind of sink in and have some purchase. So, but all it does, it transfers. If you're doing something with the knife, it's just going to transfer all that motion, that flex. It's going to transfer it into your index finger, and it does have a good choil here, and it does have texturing there. But you will feel that. You will feel that on your index finger, because your thumb will slip. So that's it. We do have some deploying studs on the blade, as well as that flipper tab. We do have a lashing hole on the back end. Very nice, very simple. It has some lines on the scales. I don't know if those will show up or not because they're subtle, but they may. But still, not a bad knife. Not a bad looking knife. You know, for something you just throw in your pocket, you know, in your blue jeans or whatever, this would be perfectly acceptable. We'll get into the card and see if they, and I'm pretty sure they'll give us a little more detailed information, because Bear & Son, they, you know, all they give us is a little thing here thanking us for the purchase. And uh-oh, well, that's lost to the ether. So we don't get a whole lot of info, but the card might have a breakdown of that knife, so that's awesome. That's our first knife. And then we got a Remington 5-inch closed 440 stainless steel rubber-coated handle. A Sportsman Series Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast Action Soft Touch. This is a knife that you're going to see. This is a commercially produced knife because we do have the hanging tag here for it to be hung on a display. So you're going to find this in any outdoor sporting store. This is going to be something that you're going to see hanging on the shelf. And, you know, they're going to be budget, you know, more budget type knives. But, you know, at the end of the day, like you guys, I've told you, I don't really have a problem with them. You know, it says the blade is a 3 5/8 clip serrated blade. Yep. It's 440 stainless steel, has a black oxide coated blade, a handle rubber coated black. Pocket clip, 5-inch close length, 8 5/8 overall, lanyard hole, and 4.9 ounces. And I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to do this, and you guys are going to have to get the best view of this you can. Okay, I'm going to have to give you the best view you can. And I'm going to tell you why I'm not going to open it, because this right here is something really good to throw in a giveaway pile. That's right. Because I give stuff away on this channel, man, because I love you guys. If you're here watching this video, you're my people. That's right. And I like to try to take care of my people, or at least I try to hook them up. I want to hook you up, man. So this knife, I'm not going to open. We'll probably throw this in a giveaway. So yeah, we'll do that. Okay, then we got a sticker. Now, if you are a fan of the channel, which I will say I greatly appreciate you if you're a fan of the channel. If you're not, man, we have some Twilight Zone stuff going on with some stickers. This one, Papa Smurf. Papa Smurf has created some kind of temporal displacement vortex. You got to keep your eye on Papa Smurf, man. But Monthly Knife Club has kind of stepped up their sticker game. And I like seeing it because, you know, a lot of these stickers like these up here that you guys can see, I really do like them. You know, they're, I don't want to say whimsical, but they're just cool, you know. They're really cool. You know, I got Mickey up there, got Frosty, got some Ninja Turtles, I got Woody, got a really buffed eagle, got Sonic, got a really angry hamburger and French fries. But Monthly Knife Club gives us this sticker, and this is kind of like a hologram. You know who that is on that sticker. I don't need to tell you guys. If you're watching this channel, you know who that is. So yeah, that's the man right there. That's Mr. Wick. So yeah, really good. Really cool sticker. Okay, all right guys, so in this month, and now the thing I want you to keep in mind about this box, okay, is this is the cheaper box that you can get from Monthly Knife Club. And we got all this stuff. This is not bad. I'm gonna say this has been a good box. 2 knives, we got a bag, the ponchos, the sticker. I think we did good. Okay, here we're going to go ahead and take a little gander here from the card. It says, "Greetings yet again, Monthly Knife Club member. In continuing with last month, and this month's box will focus on fewer but higher value items." Okay, I love hearing that from a subscription service, because I would rather have fewer but higher value items than a bunch of lower value items. So already I love this. Okay, so this plan starts out with a sweet holographic sticker from a well-dressed guy walking his dog. Yeah, we know who that is. Next up, we have the Remington Fast Sportsman's Folding Knife. Okay, pretty much it just repeats what I read off the back. Ponchos, okay. And the fanny pack, the Molly fanny pack that features water-resistant 600D polyester fabric, PVC coating, so we got a little bit of moisture protection there. It comes with the 2 mesh outer pockets, yeah, for quick access. Then the 3 smaller, okay, yeah. Okay, then we have the Bear & Son. That's what I wanted to get to. Okay, the Bear & Son, the Sideliner Model 778, featuring 440 stainless steel blade in a drop point shape. The Model 778 is a sleek beast. Its blade deploys with buttery smoothness thanks to its ball bearing pivot, and it does. The action is very smooth. The scales are made from Zytel for water resistance and lightweight, easy carry. And that's one thing I will say, that the knife is very light in your hand. It's not bulky at all. Liner lock keeps the blade safely in place, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, what's the value here? Okay, we've got the... It's funny, you can't call it John Wick because then you get into licensing issues, but they call it Dog Walker. So, very, very nice. And that's free, but they say the sticker is a $4 value, but it's free. So they don't count that as part of the value of the box. The Remington Sportsman's Folding Knife has a $20 value, which I would say that's probably about right. You see something like this at Sportsman's Warehouse, at Field & Stream, Bass Pro Shop, Academy, anywhere like that. You're about 20 bucks. That's probably right. Then we have the Swiss Safe Mylar pouch, 25 bucks for a 3-pack, and they give you also, the additional blanket. So 25 bucks, okay. And then 25 bucks for the East-West fanny pack. Okay, not bad. That's not bad. And then we got the Bear & Son Sideliner for $40. I agree. I agree. So there you go. This was Monthly Knife Club. I think this was a really good box. You guys let me know down in the comment section down below what you think. And I'm going to tell you something. You can say this was a good box because it's going to include some stuff that's probably going to go in a giveaway. A chance for one of you guys to win for free. So there you go. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. If you made it this far, I greatly appreciate you hanging out with me and listening to me blather on. I really greatly appreciate it. And let's see. Am I going to run my mouth? I don't think I will. I think I'll spare you guys today. I'll just go ahead and say I appreciate you if you made it this far. I hope you're doing well. And with that, please give me a thumbs up on the video. Comment about any of these items, or if you just, hey, something on your mind. I read all of them. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to get out of here, guys. I love all of you, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.